how to save contacts to Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how to transfer contacts from a phone to a Google account using export and import methods. So for that, open up your contacts. So go to your contacts and then on the top you'll see three dots. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on contact settings, and there you'll see export and import contacts. So if you want to export your contacts, tap on export contacts, and you'll get an option to select where to export these contacts. So you can choose internal storage or your SIM. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on internal storage and tap on export. And now that's it. Contacts.vcf has been exported to your internal storage, and tap on OK. You can do the same with import contacts as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.